Okay, welcome to Comfort Upholstery. Looks like we got an opportunity for another incredible steam up video. This cushion has definitely seen better days. It's about 20 years old. And while I'm hopeful that we'll be able to steam this up, when I'm done, I'm probably not going to recommend that the customer reuses this foam. It's too soft. It's too thin. You can see it's about 3 inches thick. The border for the cushion is 4 inches, so it should be 4 inches thick. To make up the difference, the original manufacturer put that much fluff on it. And that's just too much. This cushion was very firm before I took it out of the casing. This is very soft foam. I'm going to recommend to the customer that they go with a 4-inch foam and that they upgrade the foam to a nice firmness that will reproduce the original firmness of the cushion, but with a proper piece inside. But just in case the customer decides that they really liked it the way it was, we're going to see if we can steam it up. So, let's see what happens down here. We may not be able to steam it up at all, and if that's the case, then I will show this video to the customer, and they'll be much more likely to just say, oh yeah, go ahead. Give me some new stuffings. This is the worst right here. Let's see if we can get in here. Yeah, see that? That is not as miraculous as it often is. This 20-year-old cushion is. Had the life beaten out of it. And while the steam is working, it is not as miraculous as it usually is. This is an extreme case of the foam being deformed because this just wasn't the right foam for the job in the first place. Even if this cushion wasn't 20 years old, it still wouldn't have been a really, really good cushion right from day one. If you want a firm cushion, you use a firm foam. You don't use a super soft foam and then overpack it to try to increase the density of your filling. Yeah. No, it's definitely better than it was before. Set the other side a little bit. There. Yeah, that's just definitely not coming back up to where we want it to live. So by making this video, I'll be able to show this to my customer. And I'll make my recommendation that they swap out the foam that was in this cushion for a more appropriate piece. You can see up here in the front where it wasn't as badly abused, the foam is responding to the steam a lot better. See, the other problem with using too much Dacron on the tops and the bottoms and the front of the cushion on something that's soft like this is the foam doesn't want to force the cushion into a nice square shape. Dacron doesn't do that. It doesn't, force the cushion into sharp shapes. It allows the cushion to have a nice soft shape. You put lots of Dacron on, and you can make a cushion that looks soft and crowned. But you don't put it across the front. You only put a little across the front. You only put a little bit down the sides. And you see that huge mass of Dacron that they put on these. It had at least an extra inch to the front and an inch down each side of the cushion. That's not going to work to force the cushion to stay in its nice square shape. You'd see also that while I'm getting the edges to steam up, right in here, I mean, that's performing nicely. It's been nice and squared off. Seeing all these areas that the foam is bowl shaped. The corners are coming out. The center is staying in there. Same with the tops. The top is forming something like that. That's because all that Dacron was built up on it before. So, honestly, I don't think we're going to get much better than I have here. Let's see if we can get a little in the middle. See if we can get the center to rise, but I don't think it's going to happen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna chalk this up as a failure. At this point, we could take the other cushion, and you could see that the effect is, the effect is pretty strong, but it's still not good enough. If you look at it before and after of it. And see if we can get these to steam out and become a bit more square. And as the fronts, fronts look good, but the sides are not coming out. And the back is completely unacceptable. So, well, we put in our best effort, and I'm pretty confident this customer will see exactly what I'm talking about, and they'll go with a better product. Well, thanks for watching.